In other news, an economist is this evening insisting that the credibility of the JCF is in question, given that incorrect figures were used to declare Mount Salem as a zone of special operation. There's also a suggestion for an independent body to verify these statistics coming from the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF. Here's TVJ's Andrea Chisholm with that story.
Since Mount Salem has been declared as a zone of special operations, residents have disputed the murder figures released by the police on Friday, September 1.
It shouldn't take a member of the public to criticize a number about a set of activities that you're supposed to be doing, right? I mean, that just looks bizarre.
So on Tuesday, the National Security Council, led by the Prime Minister, said there was an error in the reporting of murders committed in Mount Salem since the start of the year.
It's important to get the numbers right. It's important for people to have confidence in the numbers. If you made a mistake at a critical time, such as now when you're making a decision based on your numbers to designate a particular area for attention or not, then it also begs the question whether or not you've made mistakes in the past.
Economist Dennis Jones is urging the National Security Council to use the time to recheck the crime statistics, find out the source of the problem and correct it. The National Security Council said the real murder figures for Mount Salem for 2017 will not be released until the next 48 hours, giving them time to review their systems.
It's not to say that people don't make mistakes, but if you make mistakes, it's important also to understand what it is that's leading to the mistakes. Is there something systemic or systematic that's going on in your data collection or in your data reporting?
Mr. Jones is also suggesting that after the data is collected, it should be independently verified and reviewed.
So I think somewhere someone needs to be there to be able to reconcile the data that the JCF are producing, and it can't be them. You could obviously have somebody, an institution like Statin, looking over the data as an objective viewpoint, right? You know, you look at the raw data, you see how it's been added up, because, look, people make mistakes.
Andrea Chisholm, TVJ News.